Welcome to all of you to Learn Technical. I am your host Adnan, and today we are bringing an important learning for you to how to use Google Trend. Google Trend really helps you to find out the keywords for your YouTube video. It will really a growing platform because as we already know that Google is the largest search engine in the world. In today's session, what we learn, first of all, we will learn that how we can search the keyword with location wise. We need to target a specified location as well. Secondly, we will learn that how we can see that keyword past history of as well available in Google Trend, that how much the trending search available for the particular keyword. Third, and the most important, if you are a web designer, you have a website, or you are a YouTube creator. In the both way, you can find the keywords for both of your things as well. And the last and the most important thing is that what you need to know is that Google Trend is also tell you that the keyword is growing in future or not. It is really helpful that through the Google Trend you are able to know that this keyword will definitely get the views and the traffic on your website and on your video as well. So this is the today's session. One thing I more want to tell you that I already made the video on Google Keywords Planner. I request you to watch this video and see the learning over there as well, because after this session I will make the video with Google Keyword Planner, Google Trends and YouTube search results keyword. So we will combine all these three tools in one platform and made a video that how we can use effectively keywords that are ranking on all these three websites, which are totally free for us by providing Google. So which will really help you and us to grow our YouTube channel. I hope you will like this session. Please do not skip it because it is very important session. So if you did skip it, then you are not able to know, and in the next video you are not able to use all these three tools in a same time and find the keyword from all three platform for your videos or your website as well. So let's move to the laptop screen.
First, you need to sign in with your Gmail ID and open the Google website and type in the search engine Google Trends. Then the first link have been appear for you, which name is Google Trend, which you need to click on it and open the website. Now this is the interface of Google Trend in front of us. Now what we need to do is we need to type the keyword in search engine over here and then press enter. Now this is the searches have been available for us and the result in front of us. Need to do is that you need to select a location. If you want to target any particular country, you will click on this down arrow and you will select the country. I will prefer you that you will select worldwide, so it will be more chances to increase your search regarding this keyword worldwide. Now there is a result in front of us. Now by default Google Trend will show the past 12-month result. What you need to do, you need to select last 30 days result. So it will a better chance to grow your YouTube channel and you are able to know that either last 30 days the searches have been available for this keyword. As you know that we are doing for YouTube channel, and if you want to do for anything for your website, you can change it from here. So I will click this arrow key and select YouTube search. Now this is the graph have been done date wise, and if you take the cursor on the date, then you will able to know that how many searches in a day will available on this keyword. So this is a very good keyword. Almost 50 to 80 searches available on daily basis, so I am selecting it as a tag. First we are searching the tags because after that we are able to know that how we can put in our titles and description as well. So first of all, always search for your tags. So I have pasted the keyword keyboard shortcut key. So you can see this the next keyword I have entered in Google Trend search engine, shortcut key of keyboard. The results is not good, but if you can see at the end of the bar, it are going up. It's mean the keywords is going in a growing stage. So it's better that we will select this keyword also. So I will copy the same keyword and I will paste on my WordPad for my record. So next keyword is shortcut of computer keyboard. I enter it and you can see the result is also very low, but at the end we are seeing the graph is going up. So we are able that this word is also growing and we hope that the searches will increase in future. So that's why we are taking this keyword also in our tags. This keyword I have taken shortcut key of computer. If you can see, the searches is very much good and it's on a daily basis above than 20 and it will go to the 100 as well. So this is also a good keyword to target it. So we will also copy it for our tags notepad file. So as we all know that YouTube is allow us 500 characters for the tags. So you will continue same process for the rest of the tags and you are able to make the tags for your YouTube video. Now the next thing which we need to do is we need to make a title for it. For example, in our case, I have made these tags and which I have get the best result on it, shortcut key of keyboard. So I will put on my title this keyword. So next thing I want to do is I need to insert a pipe over here and then I will insert the next keyword which also a good search is available, the shortcut key of computer. So this is the next keyword I have inserting in my title also. As we already know that YouTube is allow 100 characters title, so you can make till 100 as well. So this is how you can make your titles as well. Now the next thing which you need to do is you need to write the description. One thing you need to remember that what the keywords have been used in your tags, you need to use same in your title as well and same will use in your description as well. When you are writing the description regarding your video, you need to make sure that the same keywords have been displayed in your description as well. Then the YouTube algorithm will help you to grow your video and it will get more views because YouTube algorithm read always title, descriptions and tag and it will be able to know. Then YouTube algorithm is know that the video is made on which topic. So this is the very easiest way to make your title, description and tag. Now here it is, I have add the titles and the tags in my description as well. The same keywords in the same format I have used. If you can see that I will read for you, then you are able to know that how I write the description. Shortcut key of computer keyboard is very helpful for user which work on computer or laptop. It will give direct access to the app, software and Windows 10 functions. Further, it will really help to reduce to get your either using the mouse because most of the professional work with keyboard shortcut key. shortcut key of computer will improve your skills and productivity towards the computer. Further, to bring into your knowledge that the shortcut key of keyboard, most of the audience did not know about it, and this session will really help them to learn a lot. So this is how you can make your titles, tag and description, and I hope that you will like this session, and we are very thankful to you. If you like it, then press the like button and see you. Allah Hafiz.